All right, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to buy Airbnb gift card through the website, and if you want to follow the app, you can still use the same method to buy gift card from Airbnb. So basically, I'm on the Airbnb home page on the website. Right here you can see this is the Airbnb front page, just as it's showing to me. So the next thing I'm gonna do, just scroll all the way down to the footer of the website. Then you can see down below you see support and resources, so I'm going to click on that. Then there will be a pop-up just like this: support hosting Airbnb. So you can see on the drop down section you see gift card, so I'm going to click on that. So on this page right here you can see Airbnb gift cards. So if you want to buy the gift card or you want to redeem, so you can say redeem and buy now. So since the topic is all about how to buy Airbnb gift cards, so the next thing I'm going to do is just click on buy now. Then email page will pop up. They say we are unavailable from your location currently. So if it's available in your own location, you'll be able to see how to proceed to buy the Airbnb gift card from the website. And if you also scroll down, you will also see how it works: buy gift cards in bulk, purchasing for business, and then you also see different type of gift card they have. You can see these different designs. So if you scroll all the way down, you see multiple Airbnb gift card design that you can pick from. And you can see right here gift card for businesses, then show your appreciation for your for employees and customers with a gift that's easy to give for any occasion. For other $1,000 or more, contact the customer support. And if you are buying lesser, you can just click on get started and you'll be able to buy Airbnb gift card. Also, they are frequently asked questions. If you are very much interested in that, or you have any question in mind and you just want to ask someone, you can see you can ask different questions. So the Airbnb gift card is only available in the US, and then you can see right here. So where can I buy a physical gift card? So they also provide different location where you can buy Airbnb gift card. So they are available on Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Walgreens, Kroger, Safeway, and Whole Food store locations. So there are lot of locations where you can actually buy Airbnb gift card. Do gift card expire? No, our gift card don't expire, so you can use it anytime, any day. So how can I check my gift card balance? So you also have an option where you can check your gift card balance. So in the next video I'm gonna also show you how to redeem Airbnb gift card through their website.